and welcome back. I'm going to do a very simple video for you this week using these clear glass votives, and I turned them from these plain glass votives into these. So I just want to remind you guys I'm really having trouble getting back to anyone on Facebook or private message or my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for all of your comments and subscribing. And I'm going to provide links to these objects, these mulberry papers down below because I can't seem to find them in the craft store anymore. This is a plain sheet. And then you can also get colors. And the link that I provide below actually has several different colors in the package. And the first thing I want you to do is tear off any hard edges and keep them in a separate pile, because we're only going to use those hard edges. By hard, I mean a completely straight edge up at the very top. We're going to use those there. And you don't have to. I personally find, because these are a little challenging to tear sometimes. Well, that went well. But what I'll do is I'll just put a pile, and I'll make one pile of the straight edges, and then I'll tear several different size pieces in different shapes and put that in another pile. And you can go large and small and just make as many as you think you may need for as many votives as you're going to work on. One thing that is crucial to this project is this napkin decoupage glue by Americana. Don't forget my ebook, guys. In one of my chapters I mentioned that the absolute most common question that I get is from people who have problems because they're using a specific decoupage glue that has been out forever, but it's really not a good product and it causes so much trouble. And for that reason, I only use Americana decoupage glues, and the napkin glue especially, for this project. So this is going to be very simple and easy. And when I sold these at the craft show, I think that what I kept hearing a lot of was the people that came by said, oh, I can bring a few of these over for dinner to my friend's house or my relative's house. Depending on the holiday or the event or the theme. You can make them in red, white, and blue. Obviously, you can do fall colors, summer themes, and you can add a whole lot onto these once you start it. I just did plain old mulberry paper and some mulberry paper and glitter. Of course, I had to add glitter. So I'll show you how I got these done and how they look when I'm all through. Bye.